So today, I'm ranking 49 powerful health and lifestyle challenges from super easy wins to ultimate life upgrades. So stick around and see if you're up for the hardest one. Let's start simple because success begins with the small stuff you do every day. Let's start small, build big. Number 1. Drink a glass of water right after waking up. It kickstarts your metabolism and hydration from the moment you open your eyes. Number 2. Set hourly water reminders. It keeps you hydrated without even thinking about it. Number 3. Drink water before every meal. It helps in reducing overeating and improving digestion. Number 4. Add lemon or cucumber to your water. It gives you natural detox and flavor in every sip. Number 5. Track your water intake using an app because awareness creates consistency and results. Number 6. Spread your water intake throughout the day. It helps in energizing you and preventing that bloated feeling. Number 7. Replace desserts with fresh fruits. It satisfies your sweet tooth with fiber and vitamins. Number 8. Eat lean proteins like eggs and chicken because they keep you full and help you build lean muscle. Number 9. Add healthy fats like avocados and nuts. It supports your brain health and boosts your mood. Number 10. Use spices instead of processed sauces or meats. It is less in sodium that gives more flavor and keeps your heart healthier. Number 11. Go for a morning walk. It kickstarts circulation and boosts mood. Number 12. Barefoot walk on grass. It grounds your body and calms your mind. Number 13. Take a nature walk. It reduces your stress level and improves your mental health and gives you clarity. Number 14. Get morning sunlight. It boosts the level of vitamin D in your body and regulates your sleep cycle. Number 15. Cut screen time before and after bed. It helps in sleeping deeper and feeling sharper the next day. Number 16. Celebrate small fitness wins because each win adds motivation for the next step. Number 17. Choose nature over malls on weekends. Staying away from artificial noise gives you natural calmness. Comment below how many of these are already part of your daily life. If it is more than 5, then you are ahead of the game. Alright, you have got momentum. These small steps have created powerful change. Now, let's step it up a notch. So are you ready to push a bit harder with more discipline and more impact? Number 18. Eat 5 servings of vegetables daily. It's packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber and helps in gut health. Number 19. Avoid snacks, chips and cookies. It helps in cutting empty calories and reducing inflammation. Number 20. Switch to whole grains like millet or sweet potatoes. It is filled with sustained energy without any crash. Number 21. Eat home-cooked meals every day. It gives you more control, less grease and better nutrition. Number 22. Track your meals with an app because knowing what you eat helps you in owning your progress. Number 23. Practice evening yoga. It helps you in relaxing your muscles and your mind before bed. Number 24. Home workouts. It gives result from your living room. No gym, no excuse. Number 25. Stretch every day. It keeps you flexible and pain-free. Number 26. Dumbbell workout. A strength training that is simple and powerful. Number 27. Slow jogging. It is great for fat burning and mental clarity. Number 28. Long walk with a friend. You get a deep connection while getting those steps in. Number 29. Play outdoor games with your kids. It's a complete package of fun, fitness and bonding. Number 30. Drink 3 liters of water every day. It flushes toxins, hydrates skin and improves focus. Number 31. Avoid sugary and carbonated drinks. Avoiding these will give you no sugar spikes, no crashes, just mental clarity. Number 32. Replace tea and coffee with herbal infusions. It gives you calm energy without any jitters. Number 33. Sleep at the same time every night. It trains your body for optimal recovery. Number 34. Read about nutrition and fitness because knowledge powers better decisions. Number 35. Learn something about psychology every day. As you know, change starts in the mind first. Number 36. Read about time management. It gives you more time, more progress and more freedom. Number 37. Annotate what you read. It helps you in thinking deeper and learning faster. Number 38. Apply one learning each day because learning is not enough. You need to turn your inspiration into action. Number 39. Build a mini library at home because your environment shapes your growth. If you're still with me, you're already ahead of most people. Now, let's talk about the hard stuff, the real game changers, which can stretch your discipline and test your mindset. These are not just habits, they are commitments to your next level self. A complete package filled with high commitments and high results. Number 40. Quit sugar for 75 days. It will reset your cravings that will reset your life. Number 41. Avoid fried food completely. If you do so, your heart, your liver, and your skin will thank you. Number 42. Limit night outs. If you inculcate this habit, your sleep, focus, and energy will skyrocket. Number 42. Go hiking monthly or quarterly. It's a cardio with a view and a reset for your soul. But I completely understand it needs money. Number 44. Swimming. It's a full body workout which is easy for your joints. Number 45. Finish a book every month. It builds discipline and open your mind. Number 46. Take daily body progress photos. As you're accountable for your progress, you must see your evolution daily. Number 47. Capture monthly before-after pictures. When the progress becomes visible, we become more motivated. Number 48. Get long quality undisturbed sleep. If you do so, the real healing and growth happens. Last but not the least, focus on posture during workouts. Because better forms gives you better results and fewer injuries. But most of us avoid this and never gets a perfect shape. One thing I must tell you, these challenges are not just about fitness. They are about a better you. So start small and stay consistent. Just tell us in the comments which one you will try today. And do like and subscribe if you like this video and share this with someone who needs a change. Remember, your best life starts with just one challenge. So, are you ready for it?